video, I'm showing you how to make FILO pastry cups with pastry cream or cream pat. So light, delicate and delicious. And that crunch. Oh yeah. And just again, the crunch just for you guys. Oh yep, there it is. Ingredients you'll need: 2 cups of milk, 3 egg yolks, 2 tablespoons of plain flour, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, and half a cup of sugar. In a saucepan, add the milk, the sugar and the vanilla essence. Then you're going to put it on the stove and bring it to a boil. Meanwhile, in a bowl, you're going to get the egg yolks and the flour, and you're going to whisk that together. Then you're going to add it to the milk once it's hot. Mix the flour and egg yolks together, then add it to the milk. Then you got to stir or whisk it continuously till it goes thick. Once it's thick, you're going to put it into a jug and let it cool in the fridge with cling wrap on the top. Just like that. See how thick it is? Now to make the FILO pastry cups. Preheat your oven 180 degrees and you go get cooked for 10 minutes. Cut up your pastry, melt some butter, and for each cup I'm going to use 8 pieces of FILO pastry. And buttering in between. I've also buttered the pan. There you go, just like that. Buttering in between each layer of pastry. Once all done, pop it in the oven 10 minutes till golden brown. Fill, dust with icing sugar. There you go, guys. Enjoy!